I want to congratulate the Ugandan believers for rejecting homosexuality. We have been telling them, please, this problem of homosexuality is not something that you should normalize and celebrate. I told them that it is true that there were some few homosexuals here before the Europeans came here. I had heard of some few stories, but it was clear that this was a deviation from normal. Like you can have somebody with the 6 fingers instead of 5. But now the Europeans, because they don't listen, they don't respect other people's views. They want to turn the abnormal into normal and force it on others. I was in the USA in December. Mr. Biden had invited us there. There was this young a lady who came, that she's a minister of something. Then instead of talking about things which we agree on, then she brought these homosexuals. I told her, but we're not going to agree. So what I do, I will invite you, you come and talk to my inter-religious council. I forgot to tell them, when I came back, I forgot about it. So I will now invite her to meet the inter-religious council. They can convert her from her position. But it is good that you took a principled stand and you told Canterbury, please, if you want to go homosexual, go. For us here in our language, we say, Rubangatiye.
For us here, we say that God is there.
And we say, Rubangatek.
And also we say God is mighty.
Very good. So we are not going to follow people who are lost.
The gay community in Uganda is requesting to have a meeting with you. Would you give them an ear? The homosexuals in Uganda, they are requesting to have audience with you. Yeah. So they say, no, hold on.